Most organizations launch a workplace health promotion program with really good intentions. They roll out wellness challenges, share educational content, maybe they even offer incentives. And then they wonder why participation slowly drops over time. But usually the problem isn't that employees don't care about wellness. The problem is that wellness often feels disconnected from everyday work life. Now, the most successful workplace health promotion programs don't feel like extra work. They feel woven into company culture. They make healthy habits easier to maintain, easier to participate in, and easier to do so consistently. Now that might mean things like leadership support, mental health resources, healthier workplace environments, or simply making it feel less overwhelming. Because behavior change is difficult enough already. Employees don't need another complicated initiative. They need support that feels realistic. And the organizations that see the best long-term results are usually the ones less focused on perfection and more focused on building sustainable habits over time. Because when wellness becomes part of the culture instead of just another program, engagement changes completely. Now, to learn more about workplace wellness and employee engagement strategies, visit us at wellsteps.com.